Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. Alright guys, I'm going to read you a story about seeds. And it's really cool because we're reading different stories about, or we're learning about seeds and flowers this week. This is a cute little book that I found called Who Will Plant a Tree? Written by Jerry Pilato and illustrated by Tom Leonard. Alright, so let's get into it. I wonder who will plant a tree. Last fall, a squirrel buried an acorn. He didn't know it, but he planted an oak tree. Seeds stuck to the messy fur of an apple-eating black bear. The bear tripped, a seed fell off, and he planted an apple tree. A goose migrated with a chestnut burr stuck to her feathers. Miles away, the burr came off. She planted a chestnut tree. That is so cool. A dolphin pushed a coconut into ocean currents. The coconut floated to an island and a palm tree grew. Ants marched a pine nut down their tunnel. They didn't know it. They planted a pine tree. That is so cool. Cherry seeds got caught on the tail of a wild horse. She swished her tail. A seed fell and grew into a cherry tree. A beaver used his sharp teeth to chop down a maple tree. Crash! Maple trees were planted along the riverbank. Look at that. All of those seeds fell. Playful monkeys threw figs at each other. They planted fig trees. Stop it! Don't throw food! Cute little crazy monkeys. A moose got a pear tree branch stuck in his antlers. It walked and walked as pears fell off and trees were planted. That is so neat. An owl swallowed a mouse that had been eating elm tree seeds. Later, the owl coughed up a pellet and an elm tree grew. In the Amazon River, a pacu ate floating fruit. It pooped seeds. Trees were planted along the rainforest. A camel chewed some dates and then spit the seeds. It wasn't long before a seed grew into a date palm tree. A wren flies to her nest with a juniper berry in her beak. Oops, the tasty berry fell. The wren planted a juniper tree. A teacher taught her students all about trees. They went on a field trip and planted trees. What fun! Wait a second, did an elephant plant a tree?